Welcome back to the $1,000 Challenge. This is our week 19 update, and if you're enjoying the series so far, please consider liking and subscribing. I'm Elijah, a stock trader.
And I'm Erik, a land investor.
Let's get this party started.
Alright. So Elijah, how's week 19? I know the Dolphins made it in the playoffs. That's
Yes,
a good
we
thing,
did.
but how are the investments going?
So the investments, I believe I was around 2,800 in that ballpark last week.
You were holding like $1,000 worth of options or something at the end of last week?
So on Monday, those kind of just came out and were pretty much the same, still down about 500 or whatever they were. And I stayed there pretty much the whole week until yesterday when I had some more time at school. So I got a trade. I bought some Tesla calls in the morning and let those ride until late in the afternoon. And I sold those for about, I believe, maybe $500 to $600 profit.
Okay.
And so now I'm at $3,500. So
All right.
again, like my all-time high for when we filmed the video, which is pretty good.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So how are you determining where you make those trades and so on?
I look at some charts. I use TradingView, and I put some indicators on there, the relative strength index and the Nadaria Watson envelope, and I'll show you how that works right here. As you can see right here, this is what I look at on a daily basis when I'm trading options. As you can see in the top left right here, I'm trading Tesla right now. And down here at the bottom, this purple area is the RSI, or the relative strength index, which I told you about earlier. It's just the strength of the stock, whether people are buying it, selling it, whether it's even. So it's just kind of where the stock is trending right now. And the red and the green line, those are the dotted lines, I should say. That is the Nadaria Watson envelope. That's another indicator I use. And it kind of just shows me where the stock price should be. So this we're looking at right around here is Friday. So I saw this green arrow, it dipped below the red dotted line. So and it's also down around 30 in the RSI. So that tells me it's a really good time to buy the stock. So I bought calls for this, basically just saying it would go up. And as you can see right here, it did go straight up right after that. And I sold right around here just an hour or two later and made $500. So yeah, this is just kind of what I look at on a daily basis. I should get a booster seat here. Wait, should I get a pillow to sit on?
No.
So, how was your week 19?
Week 19, not much happening still. We're down about $100. We paid some recording fees, so we're at $1,650. We do have a lot of stuff in the queue right now, but it's just been taking longer than I wish it would. So, I suspect in the next 2 to 4 weeks, we should start to see some further activity. But right now, when you look at the numbers, it doesn't look great, but I think we've got some good potential coming up.
And I heard you have some big events coming up.
Yeah, so we have the Land Geek Virtual Bootcamp at the end of January here. It's, I think it's the 27th, January 27th through 29th. That's where if you bought the Investor's Toolkit, which is our base training at the Land Geek.
And the link's in the description.
You can come attend that bootcamp and learn more about land investing, how we buy land, how we sell land, and kind of how it all works. So.
Sounds good. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe, and also comment Team Elijah
or Team Erik. See you next week.